Why should I get a hearing test? Hearing tests are important because they can find hearing loss early. When hearing loss is detected early, you can take steps to prevent it from getting worse and improve your quality of life. If you're around loud noises a lot or notice changes in your hearing, regular tests are especially important. How often should I get a hearing test? If you're under 50 and have no symptoms of hearing loss, you should get a hearing test every 3 years. If you are over 50 or notice changes in your hearing, you should get tested every year. Your audiologist can give you a more specific recommendation based on your needs.